And so, hi everyone. Welcome to Grandison Espresso Lounge. This is your virtual coffee table, a place where we catch up with our nurses, PTs, OTs, and of course, our partners. My name is Daryl from the MMML Recruitment Services, a marketing associate of Grandison, and your host for today, another episode of Espresso Lounge. So, hi again, no? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening sa ating mga nurses, no, wherever you are right now. I hope this new episode of Grandes and Espresso Lounge no ay maging isang inspiration sa ating mga aspiring Filipino nurses that would like to work and live in the United States. So today no we have is a very special guest for this episode no. Let's all welcome Nurse Sunny. Hello Nurse Sunny. Yan.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone here.
Yan. Have a short stop introduction naman Nurse Sunny no na para mas makilala ka pa ng ating mga viewers.
Sure. Okay, my name is Sunny Mayo. My nickname is Jong, but you can call me Sunny since lahat naman tayo mga nurses. No? So I am from Bulacan, and I'm currently in New Jersey right now, where's my assignment. So,
Mm-mm.
ayun.
So first to begin our online kamustahan or sani no. Kamusta ka na muna yan? Yan pauna natin. Kamusta ka diyan right now?
Right now, so far so good. Ito, nag-enjoy, and at the same time, nag-explore.
Mm-mm.
Ayun.
So may I know Nurse Sunny no, how many years or months ka na dyan sa United States being a USRN?
Mm. Here in the US, in about 1 year and 1 month. Ayan. So 13 months na.
Mm-mm. So anniversary na rin pala no, Nurse Sunny interview natin.
Yeah,
Yan,
oo.
so happy 1 year na rin pala sa United States no. Since
Thank you.
na-deploy si Nurse Sunny sa United States. So first question no, Nurse Sunny, what led you choose to be a nurse no, or did you always feel ba na it was your calling,
Mhm.
or was there a specific moment that you made you realize no that this what is for you?
And to be honest, hindi. My first choice was to be a lawyer. Ang taas. Lawyer talaga. And then, ayun, kasagsagan ng parang nagbo-boom yung nursing that time during those years. Ayoko na sabihin kung kailan, but
Mm.
there's a episode, there's a time na gano'n, na sobrang biglang boom yung nurses. So from targeting na mag-law, ayun, na-persuade ako ng parents ko na mag-nurse. Yung sabi niya, pwede ka naman maging doktor. So ayun, o sige, tapos nurse ka muna, tapos maging doktor ka, gano'n. So, ayun. So, it was not a very big decision naman din kasi madali naman din since yun na nga napangunahan ng na-brainwash ba. So, ayun. But it wasn't that bad. Yeah, I'm thankful na gano'n na nga nangyari kasi it wasn't for that decision. Siyempre, wala ako sa situation ko ngayon.
Mm. So ang laking impact ng pagka-brainwash niya, no? So yun, now no,
Totoo.
look at him, no?
Totoo.
Nasa United States na ngayon si Nursani. So Nursani, no, what made you decide naman to apply to the United States among the other countries? Kasi we know, no, na medyo
Mm.
mahaba yung timeline ng United States compare sa
Mhm.
other countries, for example, Middle East, no? But you choose
Mm.
United States.
Um, Ito ulit, ma-share ko lang din. This is not the first country na pinagtrabahuhan ko as in my profession. I've been to the UK before. Pero after the stint ko sa UK, bumalik ako ng Pilipinas, and then after a while, I stayed in the Philippines. Tapos sabi ko, parang gusto ko pang mag-venture ng iba pa. And the the country that I want to be is in the US na nga. Kasi in the first place, nung nasa College of Nursing pa, yan ang talk of the town. Talagang every now and then, ayan, America, America, America. Yan talaga. And even our professors, they're talking about how good America will treat you, how the salary will be, and the places that you will visit, mga ganyan. And syempre, laki tayo sa mga movies, ganyan,
Mm.
and we watch all those things. Para tayo, ang ganda nga naman nga pala dun, and
Mm.
the fact na they pay generous amount of, salary compare sa Philippines, of course. And since galing ako sa UK, so I compared na mas malaki pala ang bigayan sa US
Mm,
compared doon.
mm,
So, ayun, that was an easy decision as well. So, US.
mm. So parang hindi ba naging enough yung salary mo sa UK? So that's why you choose United States ba? Mm-mm.
Yun, di naman sa hindi enough, but
Mm-mm.
kasi nga parang there was a time na parang you will feel na, oo nga, meron ka naman pera, but this is not the kind of thing na para sa akin. Alam mo yun, it's
Mm-mm.
not all
Mm-mm.
about the money naman
Mm-mm.
na it's a money factor lagi.
Mm-mm. So yun no. So kamusta naman yung pala yung ano mo nurse ano no yung NCLEX journey mo? Kasi can you give
Mm.
us no some tips on how to pass the NCLEX exam?
Yung NCLEX. Oh, ayun. Hindi ko naman siya sugarcoat na NCLEX is a very, very serious thing to overcome.
Mm-mm.
Hindi ko din siya just binaby, inano ko siya talaga
Mm-mm.
ito sineryoso and I made um, like yung ang tawag dito, like a study habit, ganyan, every night I'm taking um, um, just like 100 questions, ganyan, and then I'll
Mm-mm.
train myself to keep on increasing. Like for this day, 100, and then tomorrow, do 150 questions in an hour or in 2 hours, ganun. Like yung the speed, ganun, para
Mm-mm.
mahasa mo yung endurance mo ba sa
Mm-mm.
pag-take ng questions. Kasi sometimes, ang dami ko nang nabasa, parang sumasabog na yung utak ko. Eh, hindi pa humihinto yung time mo sa entrance kasi it will stop on a certain
Mm-mm.
point kung pasado ka na. Kung hindi pa siya nag-stop, eh pagod ka na. So ano nang mangyayari? Susuko ka
Mm-mm.
na. So
Mm-mm.
parang ganun, ay niready ko yung sarili ko sa ganun. And thankfully, nag-stop naman din siya 90 yata, 95,
Mm-mm.
something like that.
So
So ayun.
mataas. Ayan. So nagkaroon lang ng time gap
Oo.
si Nurse Sunny no, sa pagre-review. Sana ganun din yung gawin nyo. No? Look at him now. No? Napasay niya yung NCLEX niya. So matanong ko lang Nurse Sunny, no? Nagdala ka naman ng dependents sa United States?
Dependent, wala. I came here solo.
Mm-mm.
Pero ayun, I have my relatives naman din in some other parts of the US.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Pero solo lang ako pumunta dito.
Mm. Though na solo ka naman diyan sa United States, Narsani, did you recommend ba na bring their family in United States right away or mag-ipon muna para sa kanila before sila
Mm.
magdala ng dependent sila sa United States?
Based sa the way ako mag-adjust dito,
Mm-mm.
parang it's better na you go first and then alamin mo muna kung anong um, how to make around over here, kung paano ka kikita, and paano
Mm-mm.
ka hanap ng mga places like yung school, yung banks and everything. Kasi nga that will be your place na to live with your family. Eh kung
Mm-mm.
sa unang punta mo pa lang, hindi pa pala maganda yung place mo na yun, na meron pa palang mas maganda. So idala mo na yung family mo, sama-sama kayo nagsa-struggle, which
Mm-mm.
is it's even more difficult compare
Mm-mm.
kung solo ka lang, at least hindi pa masyadong mabigat and yung family mo is hindi nako-compromise. And
Mm-mm.
then, alam mo yun, and then kapag dumating yung time na, okay, I'll settle in this place kasi andito na lahat ng kailangan ko and I've earned enough money, ganun, para sa down
Mm-mm.
payment ng bahay. Kasi, to be honest, mahal talaga. But kung ready ka sa mga ganong situation, it would be easier for you and sa buong family. Less stress, which
Mm-mm.
is yun naman talagang ayaw natin na mangyari, which is
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
talagang we should be ready.
Mm,
Yun.
so, totoo yung sinabi ni Narsani, no? You should ready first, unahin mo muna yung sarili mo mag-settle sa United States before mo
Mhm.
dalhin yung dependence kasi magiging burden mo rin yun, yung pag hindi ka pa
Mm.
settle sa United States. So yun, magiging stress nga, magiging sanhi siya ng stress ng ating mga nurses, no? So, kailangan mag-adjust
Oh.
muna siya sa United States.
Mm-mm.
So yun, Nurse Salino, can you still recall naman your first arrival in the United States and how was the transition and adjustment there?
Ano bang, how do you, yung first recall na, I mean, the first na pagdating ko, paano ba?
Mm-mm.
Um, Yung parang ano nga parang hindi pa rin makapaniwala, something like that. Yung to that effect. Parang, am I really here? Totoo ba? Totoo bang nakalagay, welcome to the US na ba talaga? Ganon. Until, parang hinintay ko pa na mag-settle in muna. Pero yun, eventually, yun na nga, I'm with yung mga iba pang mga graduate nurses. So, hindi naman din ako solo na pumunta with other nurses. So, ayun, at the time na magkausap-usap muna. So, friends. Ayun. So, pagdating namin, sama-sama na kami until pick up din kami. So, ayun, we have a good time naman. Picture-picture and all that stuff.
Mm. So, speaking picture-picture, no, Narsani, saan ka na ba nakarating dyan sa States, sa United States? Ano-anong states na ba ang mga
Well,
na-travel mo?
naku, wala pa naman masyado. So, mostly New York. New York ang aking napupuntahan pa. Medyo kinakabahan ba akong mag-drive out interstate. So, ay, parang pupunta ako doon, usually nagko-commute lang
Mm-mm.
ako. Tapos,
Mm-mm.
pero New York, ayan, maganda naman talaga so far. Yan talagang pinaka bentahe. Kasi nga, dito ako sa
Mm-mm.
East Coast. So, lahat ng mga mga andito gusto pumunta ng New York, which is
Mm-mm.
advantage for me. Kasi parang roughly around 30 minutes, I'm there already. So, ayun, masaya.
So, yun,
It's
no?
really neat.
Mm-mm.
Uh,
So, naka-ready na rin yung bucket list ni Nursani, no? Hindi lang
ay,
natin alam.
oo.
Yan.
Siyempre.
So,
Siyempre,
yun.
oo.
So, what was the biggest challenge naman, Nursani, that you had during your first week or first month in the United States? And what did
Mm.
Grandison do, no, to help you with your transition in United States?
Yung first, syempre after namin pagkatapos namin ma-orient sa main office sa Lakewood sa New Jersey, dinala kami sa aming mga ano tawag dito, mga it's either Airbnb or hotel, ganyan, dadalhin kayo ron and then they will arrange it for you. So wala ka naman ibang unang iisipin kasi dadalhin ka na talaga nun. You just have to have the instructions, get the key, and just settle in. And that can be for a month, which is a very good help until you adjust. Tapos, syempre, may driver naman, so they'll just pick you up and then dadalhin ka nila sa place mo. So, it's not really hassle. Kumbaga, mas madali. Kumbaga, wala ka na ibang isipin. Everything has been laid out for you. There's one instance, yung isang Airbnb ko na pinuntahan initially. So, madumi. So, sabi ko, parang hindi ko kaya dito. Kasi, talagang madumi talaga. So, I just contacted yung coordinator and then ayun naman, mabilis naman silang sumagot and then dilipat nila ako agad sa another Airbnb. So, ayun. So, ibig sabihin, they're really looking after yung tawag dito, yung kapakanan ng nurses, no? They won't just let you suffer sa area na yun. Especially, hindi mo naman alam yung lugar bago ka pa lang. So parang it's really a difficult thing for you to adjust. Tapos unang-una ganun agad. Parang nakakawalan ng ano ng parang ano ba tong pinasok ko parang ganun. But thankfully hindi naman ganun. So they arranged me a better one which is napaganda pa nga. So ayun, mas maganda. I really love the second place.
Mm-mm.
Tapos ano pa ba yung tanong mong isa? Yung adjustment? Wala, ayun. Kasi nga, hindi naman naging mahirap mag-adjust kasi it wasn't my first naman na mga ibang bansa. So, it was just the same na parang independent. Para lang lahat sa probinsya ka and then lumuwas ka ng Manila to study na naka-boarding house. Parang ganun lang. It's just
Mm-mm.
really the same.
So, wala masyadong hassle, no? Kay Nurse Sunny talaga yung
Wala.
pag-adjustment sa United States. Though, may experience
Mm-hmm.
na siya mga ibang bansa like other countries,
Mm-hmm.
no? So, how did you prepare naman for your first day of work, Nurse Sunny?
First day, ano ba? Of course, just the normal everyday life, ganyan. Kaso nga lang, ayun na nga, may parang nagbasa-basa muna onte just in case na tanungin. Kasi syempre, we never know kung anong, may interview daw eh. Interview daw ulit sa facility. So I've been greeted with the administrator, there's the DON, the director of nursing, mga ganun. And wala namang mga ganun. Very, ano lang naman, kamustahan lang din. How are you? how was the Philippines, mga ganun. Wala namang ibang ibang struggle. Of course, dasal kasi nakakakaba kaya it's your first. Every first is very difficult. So hindi mo alam kung sa anong klaseng facility ba yun. Although you have an idea kung ano yung facility mo, ano yung name, probably you've Googled it, ano yung location, ganyan. But inside, yung mga tao, how they treat foreigners in there, hindi mo alam, di ba? Pero everything is so spot on. Parang okay naman ng lahat. Even the staff.
Parang align na align yung stars, no? Para kay Narsani, no? Parang
Ay,
napaka-smooth yung
oo.
transition niya doon sa United States. So, yun, no?
Ewan ko ba?
Mm-mm. So, how are you naman in the United States, no? Fast forward, no? When you first came in the United States, and then, it
Mhm.
has been 1 year and 1 month na now.
1 month. Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Mhm. Ano ba? Ano na ba nangyari? Ayun, marami na akong nabili mga kung ano-anong mga gamit. So, kapag labas ng phone, ganyan, you can just easily apply for it. Kasi, nakaplan naman, mga ganong mga bagay. And, um, madali mo naman mabudget yung pera mo. Dapat lang talaga, you know how to spend wisely kasi, ah, mabilis din yung transition ng pera. I don't know, syempre, iba-iba naman ng situation natin. Some will just send money back home, some are saving, and may binabayaran. So, ayun talaga, properly allocated. And then, may konting sobra, ayan, I do shop, kung ano-ano, ayan, tapos nag-save din. Kasi eventually, I am planning to have my own house din, ganyan, or pan down sa apartment or whatnot. Mga ganon. So, you just
Mm-mm.
have to save a little.
Mm-mm. So, madaling salita, no? Malaki na po ang naipon ng Narsani. Yeah.
Hindi ka sure.
So yun na, what do you think naman, Narsani, is the biggest advantage of being a Grandison nurse in the, tama ba, Narsani, New Jersey, ka na-assign?
New Jersey,
Yan,
yes, yes.
what the biggest advantage
Mhm.
naman po of being a Grandison nurse?
Ano ba, advantage in what sense? Advantage compared to what? Pero advantage ko siguro is, ayun lang, everything has been laid out for me. The facility, the employment, yung accommodation, the assistance sa bank, even for the car acquisition. Kasi nga, hindi pa ako makakuha ng sasakyan. Everyone else hindi naman makakakuha kagad ng sasakyan unless ika-cash nila kasi wala pang credit history. So, yun ang primary requirement. You have credit history. So, ayun, yun yung mga nangyari, yung mga na-laid out sa akin na oh, ito na yung mga mangyayari mo, nakaplan na lahat, ito yung mga pwede mong gawin. There's someone who's going to guide you. Parang that's going to be the advantage. And sometimes, if situation goes wrong, meron kang kukontakin or ay hinga ng tulong o may kapag-coordinate sa mga ganong mga bagay.
Mm,
So, hindi ka masyadong kakabahan, especially for those na mga first-timers. Paano hindi naman lahat din katulad ko na may experience na, paano sa mga na first time lang. So, probably they were thinking, paano ganon? Hindi ko alam kung saan ganito. Yun yung parang pinakakakapitan nila kasi meron silang um, tatanungan or hindi sila mangangamba na they will be left in the dark. Parang ganon.
So yun, no? Maganda yung nasabi ni Narsani, no? Na pag new nurses ka in the United States, no, mas maganda talaga yung may nakakapitan or may assistance ka nakukuha dun sa agency mo compared dun sa mga direct, no? Hindi nila alam kung anong gagawin nila, hindi nila alam kung saan sila pupunta. And then yung assistance kung maganda ba tong lugar na to para makapag-rent ng apartment compare sa agency, no? Kay Grandison, no? Isa-settle na po sa inyo lahat. Yeah. If you have any suggestion or any concerns, no, like Narsani, ayaw niya dun sa Airbnb na gusto niya. So, inilipat na lang siya ni Grandison sa mas maganda pa nga. So, yun, no? Ayun yung maasahan na ating mga new nurses, no? Mga aspiring nurses, no? Here in the Philippines na once you nasa United States ka na, hindi ka po iiwan ni Grandison. So,
Yeah.
Narsani, no, how was your work naman in the United States? Yan. Can you give a description of your job as a nurse in, tama ba? Skilled nursing facility? Yan.
Yes, if
Yan.
yung facility ko. Yung facility ko is Sabacute. subacute nursing facility and long-term cares. And I'll be rotating sa dalawang floors. Maliit lang siya na facility and lucky enough, ayun na nga, nakakaikot ako sa dalawang floors na yun. Andoon kailangan mo pa rin talaga ng nursing skills and lahat ng mga natutunan natin, you have to apply it, mga ganyan, and mataas kasi yung tingin nila sa mga Filipino nurses, especially kasi nga, most of us, BSN, ganyan, RN, mostly kasi sa kanila, it's either LPN or RN, na hindi pa sila BSN, so ganun. Parang there's a certain level of higher achievement sa mga tulad natin. So, syempre, nakakahiya naman din na parang, ay, parang hindi mo pala alam yung mga ganung mga bagay. So,
Mm.
yun yung isa pang parang challenge. You have to at least somehow na at par mo yung sarili mo kasi nga ayaw naman natin na sabihin nila, ay, BSN to tapos ganito. Parang wala namang alam, parang
Mm.
ganun. So,
Mm.
parang you have to equip yourself properly. And alam ko naman na lahat naman tayo is equipped na kasi nga nakapasa na tayo ng sandamakmak na mga exams, di ba?
Mm.
So, ito pa ba? Di ba? Parang, it's just a matter of how are we going to present ourselves sa mga katrabaho natin or even sa pasyente and sa relatives. Kasi, yan yung mga kaharap mo everyday. Lalo yung mga relatives na parang hindi sila katulad sa Pilipinas na yung relatives is sobrang higher level. Pero dito kasi, hindi mo maiwasan na magtatanong din sila. Tapos, sometimes ayaw din nila na yung mga foreigners kasi they will think na parang they're not properly trained. So, ayun. But good thing, mataas naman ang tingin nila sa mga Filipinos. So, we'll just keep it at that. So, ayun,
Mm.
i-maintain na lang natin.
So yun no, you mentioned no, Narsani no, yung about sa parents, I mean relative
Relatives,
na
yes.
relatives ng patients no. How was naman
Mm,
yung kanilang trato or yun
mm,
sa ating mga nurses diyan sa'yo, on your experience no, kasi syempre again di natin may iwasan nga na magtatanong sila yon.
mm,
So ano nangyayari doon sa kamag-anak nila or nagkaroon ka na
mm.
ba ng any bad um tawag dito experience yan
Experience.
or good experience doon sa kanila?
Paano ba? Mostly mga good experience. Parang wala akong natatandaan na bad. Kasi nga, masayahin kasi, kaya ba mo ba? Tawa lang ako ng tawa. Like, kapag dumating sila, always greet them, ganyan. Siyempre, kapag bago ka, tatanungin ka nila, hey, are you the nurse? Sabi niya, where are you from?
Mm,
Mga ganyan-ganyan. So, siyempre, sagot tayo, mga, ano, tapos tatanungin nila yung relative nila, so, kamusta yung ganito? So, ganyan, kumakain ba siya? Yung mga gamot ba niya? Ganyan. O, tapos
mm,
ngayon, siyempre, kunwari, hindi naman kunwari, but you really know from the heart na, okay, nabasa mo naman siya, alam mo na meron siyang appointment, na ganito yung condition niya, nakita siya ng doktor niya, ayun, i-relay mo lang sa kanila na, oh, is got an appointment, ganyan, kumain naman siya, or sometimes, hindi siya kumakain ngayon, but yun na naman, binibigyan namin ng supplements, mga ganyan. Gusto lang nilang maano na, at isa, na alam mo yung ginagawa mo, mga ganun lang. In English, yun lang talaga.
in English.
Yun lang. Oo, yun lang. In
So,
English.
so yun, no, dagdag ko lang, no, Norsani, have you experienced ba? Kasi I have interview, no, recently na once do sa school nursing facility na kung saan siya na-assign na, yung nalaman niya, Filipino nurse or Filipino PT yung nag-a-assist sa kanya, ay minamahal niya talaga, no, na inahanap-hanap niya
Mm.
araw-araw. Have you
Ay,
experienced ganong
oo.
treatment sa iyong mga patients?
Oo, hindi naman sa pagmamayabang, parang crowd favorite talaga. Parang, ano, um, kasi minsan merong, tawag dito, may mga floors, dalawang floors. So meron akong parang mga pasyente sa baba na gusto ako na na doon na lang mag-duty. Tapos akit naman ako, sabi niya, where were you? Parang hindi ka nakikita ng for how many days, ganyan. Sabi ko, nasa taas ako, ganyan. Parang andun ka. Sasabihin ko sa administrator, dito ka na lang sa baba. Huwag ka nang dalhin sa ibang ganyan. Kasi yung mga ibang nurses dito, they don't know what they're doing. Mga ganong mga level ba? Mga din. Di mo alam kung binibiro ka lang o totoo. Pero yun na nga, kasi nga, parang nakakahanap sila ng, parang, parang hindi lang puro trabaho, parang they have the chance to talk to the nurse, Ganyan, makipagkwentuhan. Kasi diba mga Pinoy, yung
Mm-mm.
mga TLC, ganyan, kung ano-ano na lang. Kahit na hindi mo na trabaho, tinatrabaho mo pa din.
Mm-mm.
So parang na-appreciate nila yon ganyan. Parang hinahanap nila. And sometimes, ire-request ka talaga nila. To
Mm-mm.
the point na sometimes, more work na talaga. Pero wala eh. Parang they're just very fond of you. Parang ganun.
Mm-mm. So nagkakaroon sila ng separation anxiety pag nawawala yung Filipino nurses nila.
Oo. Oo. Parang ganun. Especially sa long-term care. Usually
Mm-mm.
permanent, matagal sila dun eh. So, gusto nila same-same lang talaga lahat ng mga tao.
Mm.
Ayun.
So how was the training naman, Nurse Sunny, no, given by the facility?
Mm-mm. Ah, ayun, sa training. To be honest, yung training ko hindi masyadong matagal. Parang ano yata, 1 week lang yata yun. Pero depends naman kasi yun kung the readiness of the nurse. Yes, tatanungin ka naman nila, okay na ba? Kaya mo na ba? Ganyan. And you are allowed to speak up naman. They will not force you if hindi mo pa naman talaga kaya. Eh, yun na nga. Eh, sabi ko, hindi ko alam kung nahihiya ba ako sabihin ng isa pa eh. Pero sabi ko, yes, yes na lang ng yes. So sabi ko, yes, I can manage. Sabi ko ganun. Parang syempre nakuha ko naman din, parang ano naman, very, kumbaga sa salita natin, self-explanatory naman na ganyan yung pagbibigay ng mga meds. Mostly kasi med pass and documentation, mga ganyan. Yun ang mga mahirap, especially kapag bago ka pa lang, you don't know the patients, and dami nila. 'Di ba? Matagal kang magbigay ng meds kasi it's your first or just your first week or first month. Syempre, it takes time to getting used to it, 'di ba? So, pero everything will be okay naman eventually. Ganun naman lagi sa una, 'di ba?
Mm-mm. So yun, no, ayun talaga yung ugali ng Pilipino, no, kahit na alam natin na gusto pa natin, no, ay yes lang tayo ng yes.
Ayun, parang ano ba, kaya ko pa ba? Parang hindi, kaya natin to. Yan, be very resilient.
Oo.
Ayan.
Mm-mm.
Yan ang sabi. Kahit hindi na ano, sige push. Kaya natin to.
So yun, um, do you recommend, no, as Nurse Sunny, no, having an experience first in the Philippines before working in the United States?
Hmm. Yes, I would say it would be best. Hindi better, it would be best na meron talaga na hands-on experience, but it's not really prerequisite kasi nga meron naman tayong knowledge in that. And dito nga meron naman training. Kaso nga sa lagay ko kasi, kaya siguro napaliit yung time ko ng orientation, ng training, ng gano'n kasi parang I've demonstrated na kaya ko naman na. 'Di ba? Alam mo yun, as long as kung kaya mo na parang okay naman na lahat ng mga ginagawa mo, you have the confidence to do it, na hindi ka parang nag-aalangan, you can do it. Good for you. Eh, paano pag hindi mo alam? 'Di ba? Especially, alam mo by the books, pero in action, you don't know what to do. Alam mo what to do, but it takes time for you to do it. Yung mga ganun. Kasi the certain confidence kasi, wala pa. Yung mga ganun. Kasi, ito talaga parang, I don't want to say na fake it till you make it. Kasi it's not really faking it. It's just really you doing it actually. Repetitive, ulit-ulit. And then it takes time for you to get confidence. And then after a while, you've gained enough confidence to do it by yourself. Tapos kahit na may pressure, kahit nandiyan yung relatives, you can just do it. Na parang you're just flying. Kasi, ano na, hindi naman sa wala ka ng pakialam, but you just know what to do, and hindi ka na na-intimidate kahit kanino. Mga ganun. You will develop that in time.
So yun, no, though na si Grandison ay tumatanggap, no, even wala silang
Yeah.
experience, but um, based on nursery, no, much better have an experience
Mm-mm.
first, no, kasi though na may ano dun yung knowledge natin, syempre much better pa rin talaga kung na-experience natin yung
Mm.
mga need natin, no, ma-experience being a nurse here in the Philippines before talagang pumunta ng United States. So yun, you mentioned, no, napagkwentuhan na natin, Narsani, yung mga patients mo, no?
Mm.
How was your relationship with the facility, with your boss, or with your
Mm.
co-employee?
Ayan. So, ayun, parang ako yung go-to person. Parang ganun. Ako na yung takbuhan nila. Like, okay, sabi niya, Sunny, are you free tomorrow? Kasi short kami. Ganyan. I don't want to give this to to the other nurse kasi alam ko ikaw lang kaya nito. Yung mga ganong level
Mm,
na parang there's a level of trust and parang ayun na nga, trust na binibigay sa'yo and sometimes nakakatawa yung ng puso kaso nga lang. Ayun, medyo sometimes di ko na mag-adjust if may lakad ka or what, syempre you have to cancel and all that. Tapos sa mga employees naman, sa mga staff, you have CNAs, you have other co-nurses and supervisors and all that. Ayun, syempre nakikita naman nila yung the way you work, yung confidence mo and you know what you're doing. Parang yung yung trust ba nila sa na hindi ka na nila sinusupervise and all that. Parang, sige, kaya mo yan. O yung ano natin parang ikaw na bahala dyan. No? So they can just easily delegate it to you.
mm. So,
Parang ganon. And
mm,
your CNA, sorry, and your CNAs believe you. Yung parang, kasi di natin maiwasan yung ibang mga lahi. They have their own understanding. They have their own attitude as well. Di ba? Lalo na yung mga,
yes.
I don't know ano say, basta lahat na lang, iba't ibang mga lahi may mga certain attitude mga
Mm,
ganyan. Sometimes, kung ano nila yung nakasanayan nila, yun na yun, even though mali na. Eh, kaso
mm,
ikaw yung in charge. So, paano yun? It's on you. Paano mo yun
mm,
sasabihin sa kanila? So, yung mga ganun, you
mm.
can just easily tell it to them kapag okay yung relationship mo sa kanila.
Mm. So malaki talaga yung tiwala ng mga co-employees, bosses
Mm.
ni Nurse Sunny sa kanya, no? Kumbaga sa iba may trust
Mm.
issues, pagdating kay Sir Akin, Nurse Sunny wala. So
Oo. Oo, wala. Sige, ganun. Okay na
so
yan. Okay na
uh,
to.
okay na to. So Nurse Sunny, no, what advice naman can you give to new nurses, no, who are soon to come in the United States, yung mga nurses natin na nasa pipeline?
Okay. Ayun, topic lang kasi nga even me during my time I've even waited for almost 3 years sa Pilipinas noon due to retrogression. Ako din kasi part din ng paghihintay. So you just keep on waiting. You don't have to solve sa sa situation kasi wala naman tayong hawak doon kasi it's in the sa US Embassy or sa ano yung dito yung current date, di ba? Ganun ito, naiinip ako before and then sabi ko lang, divert ko na lang yung attention ko sa work ko kasi nga before I went here, parang akong trabaho. So doon na lang ako nag-focus o yung iba naman, may mga skills training or nagjo-duty sa mga hospital. So yun, parang chinanel ko na lang doon yung energy ko kaysa sa lagi ko iniisip na ano ba yan, ang tagal naman, parang nakakawala naman ng gana. But trust me, parang that's part of the process kasi lahat naman dumaan doon. Some might have an easier path, but syempre, meron pa rin mas matagal na naghintay sa'yo, like years or 10 years or more for certain reasons, di ba? Parang just treat yourself lucky enough kasi nasa pipeline ka na, andyan ka na, nakapila na. Compare sa mga tao na, sa mga nurses na mag-entrance pa lang, mag-apply pa lang, or kumukuha pa lang ng lakas ng loob na mag-apply, di ba?
Mm-mm.
You're malayo pa, pero malayo na. Parang ganun yung dinating.
Mm-mm.
So, ayun, just keep the faith tapos um, mag-divert ka lang ng attention mo or try to enrich yourself lang muna
Mm-mm.
while waiting. Kasi pagdating dito, sabi nga nung kakilala ko, rat-rat na.
Sa trap
So, ayun
na.
talaga. Like, yeah, sa rat-rat na talaga. So, ayun, just keep it going.
Mm, so yun, no? Ang ganda ng sinabi ni Norsani doon, no? Though na naranasan din naman niya yung retrogression, but ah, he
Mm.
keep ah, he keep no busy himself, no, para hindi niya na maisip yung matagal pa ba yan. So look at him, no, sa pagiging busy niya here in the Philippines. Sa United States na siya 1 year and 1 year and 1 month
Mm.
na siya sa United States. So
Mm.
Nurse Sunny, what is the best thing naman, no, working with or in Grandison?
The best thing, siguro the best thing is the moment that they're able to fly me to the US. Yung without any hassle. Yung wala na akong ibang iintindihin and very smooth yung transition. Kumbaga, yung wala akong pangamba na baka ganito, baka ganyan. Meron lang yan anxiety pero at the time, hindi ko naman yun naranasan. Very minor pero that's just out of control. So, ayun yung pinaka-best doon. Yung tipong lahat na na-laid out para sa'yo, ikaw na lang ang kailangan. You just to present yourself and do what is expected of you. Ayun.
So yun, um, can you flex naman no, Narsani, tourist destination have you been? Or baka bukod dun sa house and lot na
Mhm.
pag-iipunan mo ngayon, no? Is there any investment ba na you earn or you work hard on your
Mm.
year working in the United
Oo.
States?
Oo naman. Pero yung investment ko wala pa dito. Nasa
Uh,
Pilipinas siyempre.
mm-mm,
Siyempre, you have your may mga lupa na binabayaran,
mm-mm,
ganyan, mga bahay na renovations, yung sasakyan na binabayaran. So imagine if wala ako dito, it would be hard for you to pay all those kind of things. Di ba? Parang kung dito ka, it's easier. Hindi sila mawawala, pero it's easier. Hindi ka na talagang kayod talaga ng, ano tawag doon? Kahit kalabaw. Dito
mm-mm.
pag kahit kalabaw, it's paid like kalabaw din. Like kalabaw is to kalabaw. Sa Pilipinas kasi kalabaw is to kambing. Alam mo yun, like it's different. You work hard but you get less money, you know. But here, it's equal. You work hard for this kind of job and then you pay a certain amount that you deserve. Parang
Mm-mm.
ganun. So it's really worth it. Mas madali ka talaga makakaipon dito.
Like kasi, sabi ni Nurse, ano, um, yung pag yung work hard mo sa United States, no, may sukli
Mhm.
talaga, sobra-sobra pa. So,
Yes.
like here in the
Mm-mm.
Philippines, di naman natin sila downgrade, but we know naman talaga na
Yes.
medyo
Ano yun? That's
mababa
a fact.
talaga.
Mm.
Oo, mababa talaga ang salary ng mga nurses dito sa United States. Kahit magpuyat ka pa at magpuyat. Yan.
Sa
So,
Pilipinas.
so Nurse, no, would you recommend ba Grandison to your friends and why?
Mm. Of course, I've asked some of my friends to apply and they're also in the pipeline na din. So, ayun, they're also waiting kasi nga, syempre, even before nasa kadarating ko pa lang, sabi ko, yan, dito na ako. Sabi niya, tara, ito na yung apply, dito na kayo kasi nga, ito yung nangyari sa akin. Okay naman, very smooth. So, I definitely recommend.
So parang ginawa ka muna nilang pain no, Nursani, no? Mauna ka
Ayun na
muna
nga,
dyan.
ginawa nila akong ano, ginawa akong guinea pig. Ganun.
So look at now, no?
Testing
Um,
muna.
Oo,
Mm.
si Nursani, nauna na nga, pero yan tuloy. Kung nagsabay-sabay kayo, sabay-sabay sana kayo na sa United States.
Ayun. O, yun. In fairness naman kasi, iba, parang dinidelay kasi nila yung mga exams nila. Yun.
Mm-mm,
Yung English exams, syempre, di ba, ang prerequisite. So, you
mm-mm,
have to have those things. So,
mm-mm.
ayun. Pero thank God naman, they're in the pipeline.
Yan. Nursery, no, the USA, no, or USA is a long journey talaga. We know talaga, kahit sino
Mhm.
talaga, no, alam na medyo mahaba talaga yung pathway ni United States compared to other countries. So, what did you do, no? Like, you mentioned naman before na kung ano ginagawa mo. So, ano talaga yung
Mhm.
recently na ginagawa mo before ka ma-deploy in the United States? Ayan. And then can you
Mm.
provide us now with the significant timelines or milestone during that time?
Mhm. Paano ba yun? Kasi lumipad ako June, June 15 last year. Tama ba? Oh, yeah. June 15. So, around March, May, I'm still employed. I'm still working. Sabi ko nga kasi I'm still waiting na mag-current. So, pero first quarter last year, medyo, ayun na nga sabi ko, ang tagal naman, naiinip na din ako. Pero sabi ko yun na, dinivert ko na lang. So, I was still working sa trabaho ko. And then, hindi ko siya nilet go kasi nga, at least kahit papaano, mayroon ka pa rin pera, kumita ka pa din, at the same time, nalilibang ka kasi nga, imagine if you're not doing something and then you're waiting. So, mas lalong nakakabaliw yun. So, that's what I did. So, March, here comes March, biglang nag-current. So, ayan na, March, April, May, ayan na, parang everything is so fast. So, kailangan na ako magpa-medical again, kasi nga dati nagpa-medical ako, kaso biglang nag-retro, di ba? How bad is
Mm-mm.
that? Di ba? Parang sabi ko, ano ba yan? Okay na eh, tapos nag-retro, parang okay, hindi ka nakasali, di ba? Mas ano yun, masaklap. So, imagine, na-experience ko din yun. Pero, hindi pa rin ako bumitaw kasi sa pipeline na sayang na eh. Malayo ko na
Mm.
narating ko tapos ano, wag na lang, di ba? Parang hindi naman yun masyadong ano, nakakatuwa. So March, April, and until that. Tapos last month, like May, doon na ako na ano, ato na talaga meron na akong visa and everything, ayun na. So, namasyal na, I did what I have to do, nag-beach na, nagpe-prepare na ng mga dadalhin. I'm thinking of yung mga being prepared to go here, yung mga ganyan. Kasi nga, you don't know what you gonna have here. Parang, it's a time na para maghanda na. Tapos yun, bakasyon, nag-beach na, ano pa ba? Yung
Nag-resign
mga
na.
ibang moments. Nag-resign na, ganyan. Parang, pero alam naman nila, it's kind of expected kasi I work in the BPO industry. So, para sa medical side. So, alam naman nila, and most of them are nurses. So, kasama-sama kami doon. So, yung kailan ba yung ano, mga ganyan-ganyan. So, they know kung na-expect, kahit they kind of expected naman na aalis na rin ako. It's not an easy exit.
Mm. Not niyaya mo na yung mga
It's not a hard exit.
taga-BPO.
Oo, may mga kanya-kanya din yun. Silent lang. Wala kasing
Oo.
ano. Baka ano, mga ganun.
Mabibigla na lang yung company.
Di, wala nang biglaan. Bad yun. Ano dapat? Doon tayo sa ano.
May courtesy pa
Paalam.
rin. Ayun. So,
Ayan.
um,
Oo.
like you mentioned, no, Nurse Sunny, na tama ba? Naapektuhan ka ng retrogression. Yan. Yung kung
Yes.
kailan
Oo.
ina-expect mo na, but naapektuhan ka ng
Mm.
retrogression. So, what is your message naman
Yes.
to nurses here in the Philippines na affected din ng retrogression?
Yun na nga, since hindi naman sa binibilittle ko yung adal dito, yung nararamdaman nyo ngayon because naranasan ko na din yan before kasi nga may kanya-kanya naman tayo ng tolerance or ng the way we adapt to stress levels, di ba? Pero what I'm saying is it's not the end of yung ng dreams natin kasi 'di ba? It may sounds cliche, pero it's just, a stopover. Ganun lang talaga. Hindi naman talaga yan permanent. Gagalaw at gagalaw yan. Sa
Yes.
kayo at sa gusto nyo. Kesa narinig na sinasabi na si Trump, naghigpit, ng ganyan. But the level of the need for nurses here are still way high. So, hang on tight. Tapos, kita-kita-kits na lang dito.
Mm.
Ganyan.
So yun, di naman sila maapektuhan, no, sa mga decision ni
No.
Trump.
Mhm.
Oo, so
Wala, oo.
si-
Those are for the illegal migrants, mga ganyan.
mm,
Illegal naman tayo papasok dito. So,
mm,
ayun, you will be greeted open arms ng mga immigration officers.
So
Trust
yun.
me.
So dapat wala kayong dapat katakutan, no? Paano na yun kayo? Paano na yung dream nyo, USA dream nyo? Yan. So don't worry, no? Like nga sabi ni Nurse Sunny, no? Legal po kayong tinatrabaho ni Grandison. So yun, I think down na ako sa last question ko, Nurse Sunny, no? And
Okay.
so any suggestion naman to Grandison? So is there anything we need to improve pa ba?
I don't know what can I say, pero siguro, ano ba yun? Siguro yung mga andito na ng mga nurses, they can find time to, like in a certain locations, yung mga, oh, ito, pero yung I don't know if what you call chapter, or ito, yung mga nurse dito. They can have like a reunion or parang get together,
Mm.
parang from time to time, ganyan. Kasi nga, since we are under Grandison, parang, o share, mga ganyan. So, kamusta na, ganun. On a certain part area ba, ganun. Kasi, isa pang, ano yun eh, isa pang iniisip natin, I mean, dinadala ng mga, hindi naman problem, but struggle is, paano pag walang mahina ka sa, kung ano, makipagkakilala mga friends, ganun.
Mm.
Since wala kang ibang support people, might as well na parang, since same tayo ng Granison, ganun, or we have the same experience, ayun, parang, ito na kagad, may common denominator na. So, you can build our own community around certain
Mm.
places. Ganun,
Okay.
ganun lang.
We'll take note dyan, no? Nurse Sunny, no? Para, like ang sabi mo, may mga nurses talaga na medyo hindi ganun katatag yung loob.
Oo.
Oo, hindi masyado
Yes,
nagsasalita.
oo.
So, gawa lang ng
Support
gawa.
people.
Sige. We'll take
Mhm.
note on that, Nurse Sunny, no?
Oo.
Thank you for the, tawag dito, suggestion kay Grandison. Yeah.
Mhm.
So, I think ayun na yung last question ko, Nurse Sunny, no? Thank you so much.
Okay, yun na yun.
So,
Mhm.
a huge thank you to you, Nurse Honey, no, for giving us a time, no, to share your inspiring journey as nurse in the United States. So, may gusto ka ba i-shout out dito sa
Ay,
Pilipinas?
wala na. Wala na sa mga friends ko. Okay, ayan yung mga friends ko. Si Anna tsaka si Nelson.
Ah,
Tsaka kay Gino. Kay,
so, hi, no?
ano pa ba yun?
So,
No.
sumunod na daw kayo kay Nurse Honey sa United States. So,
Nandiyan na
yeah.
sila. Oh. Nasa
Mm.
pipeline na yung mga yan.
Malapit
Okay.
na. Yeah. So, yeah. Again, thank you so much, no, Narsani. And to all our amazing live viewers, no, for staying with us today. It's truly been an insightful, encouraging, and inspiring session, no, here at Grandison Espresso Lunch, no, to stay updated on our upcoming live events, school tours, and our Grand US Career Orientation. No, please make sure to follow us on our social media channels. On Facebook and Instagram, it's Grandison Nursing. And then on YouTube, it's Grandson's President. So once again, my name is Daryl, a marketing associate of Grandison, and your host for today, Grandison's Special Lounge. So we see you at the next Grandison's Special Lounge. Goodbye, everyone.